Hello, good evening, students. Today, actually, I purchased the BOYA mic student. Okay, so it's around 800 student. This is the BOYA mic. So I know last time I purchased the tablet, I did the unboxing. Similarly, this time also I'm feeling to just do the unboxing. It's not costly, student, but the to filter the sound quality I purchased because the around side here there is a marriage hall is there, so sometimes it's too much noisy sound is coming. So what I am doing, I am putting the unboxing it, and then we will try to see that is what is the things are there. So let us cut it out here, students. So that is what is okay. Okay. 1 minute. Sir, cutting. Yeah, it's got it's over, student. See, this is what is there. That is firstly the receipt is there from Amazon. I purchased, student. It is something 870 rupees is there, student, but original price is somewhat, it is the 2000 something is coming in 1800, but it's the now own time, so I got in the very low price. Yes, nothing is there. This is wastage only. This is the box is there, and then we got this one. Okay, this. So let us try to unbox it out, student. If you see, this is the layer is there. This is the layer like that. So what is there, student? One diagram is there on this one. You can see, probably it might be visible to you. So this is the adapter, student. Here this is the adapter, right? So here is the clipping are there. So omnidirection it is there. Super sound for the presentation and video recording. Okay, M1, BY M1. This is this, and what is that is this is there. Let us open this, student. What is this? So the first of all, this is what is. This is the small BOYA qualified certificate is there. I don't know what certificate it is written in the Chinese, student. No need not to see that. And then again one is there, student. This is book is also there. Oh my God, the book are not going away. Even we grown up, but we are we are getting the book. So first one is there, the BOYA. This is warranty card, student. This is the warranty card. Some names are written here to mention this. Warranty policy. Something is there. That is not. And here is the book is there. Universal lavalier. Lavalier microphone. Okay. Instruction manual is there, student. Here is the first pages are there. So they have said the omnidirection, power pack, camera setting, off smartphone setting, 3.5 nanometer connectors, using the microphone. This is all are the mention in the good qualities, good way. So this is the book, student. And then here you see it is the spongy bag. Nice, it is a bag, student. So you can see here in the bag what is there. Let me check out anything is there. Nothing is there, student. In spite of this, nothing is there in this. Let us check out in the bag what is there, student. This is the bag. Is quite nice spongy bag. So this is the very big size cable. And then in this one what is there, student? This is their silica gel is there, student. Okay, to absorb the moisture, we know in the surface chemistry. This is not for eat, student. They have written also, silica gel throw away, do not eat. So this is absorb, good. And in this one there is the one small packet is there, pouch. In that pouch what is there, student? Let's see. This is the for the holding in the collar, that is there. And there is the this is the sponge on the head of the your speaker, and that is the next one is there. This is the battery is there, student. Here I think this is the battery. Okay, yeah, student, this is the battery. Okay, so in electrochemistry we study the battery, point cell, button cell, not the point cell, better is say button cell. So this is something called button cell, student. Let me remove it out. So this is what the button cell is all about, student. You can see this is the nice quality is there, student. You can see here this is the button. Okay, and this is what is this, student? I don't know what is this. this we need to check in the book also. Where is the book? This is for, I think this is for DSLR student. Okay, what is this? Let me, yeah, this is being used in the adapter, I think, student. This will be used in the adapter. Where is in the book? Is what is there? I need to read out the things. Yeah, nothing is mentioned. We'll check out what is there. So dear student, this is a quite large size, the cable is there, student. I think this will be, this will be the added here, student, to connect with the, DSLR. Okay, because this is used for the DSLR only. So I'm not using this, and I will use in the microphone only. So this is there. Okay, and here if you see, student, what is there? This is the speaker one. So what we have to do, this is the, I think this is to attach this one, right? This is the attach now, spongy ones to filter the sound, and this is there, student, to the for battery. BOYA camera off on, smartphone is there. So what we have to do, we have to open it out, student. So this is opening is there. First time I'm doing, I don't know, that is I'm handling by my own, I don't know how to do. Yeah, this is the battery cable is there, cabin is there, student. So here we can insert this battery. So how can you insert, students? Let us try. So if you want to insert, so this is not getting insert, I think. So how to insert? It might be insert like this. Good, we have to, yeah, it's got inserted, students. See here you might be able to see the battery inserted, and then it will be the, here again it is closing out. So okay, this is off now, student. So what we are going to do, students, we are connecting this with the microphone in the same time. So you see the what the sound quality is improved or not, So let me wait, student, wait a moment. Yeah, it's a cable is actually very long, so that much we don't have to remove, because if once it is the open, it is very difficult to handle this large size. The cable is really, it is I think the 4, 5, 6 meter it may be. So I'm not opening that much. So what I'm doing, student, I'm just putting in the whatever the phone I'm using. So that I am now I am using this, and here we have to check out that is the sound is it is audible or not. We have to put little away, and then what is this, student? This is there to keep the, so how we have to do, students? This is there, this is already there to hold, this is already fitted, student. This is fitting is there, and then what we have to do, we have to keep near to our collar. So this is the now complete unboxing is there. I don't know, actually this is the first time I'm doing. I never did this one, so I don't know how the sound quality. I might you might find that it is a good quality, because that is the so many the review I read out. Okay, and I asked from my friend also, relative also, they are using the BOYA mic, so I thought of to purchase this BOYA mic. So this, thank you so much for watching, friends. We'll see you, okay, in the next video. Thank you, bye.